Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing several new products from FuseChicken. The first is the Rebel Auto Premium Pivoting Car Mount. These are all to match the MagSafe type magnetic system that was created by Apple. So FuseChicken has their own magnetic system that's like MagSafe. You have one of these. We'll show you how this works. This is for your Airpods Pro. It's magnetic. And this is the pivoting car mount. It's quite premium. It's thick. There's definitely a lot of material there. A lot of magnets as well. Comes in these little cool round discs. So here is the pivoting car mount. Here's some different ways that you can orientate the car mount. It fits in your vent in your vehicle. Here's some other ways you can use it. GPS, you can stick all kinds of things. So let's say your product doesn't have, or your gadget doesn't have the MagSafe. You can actually use this as the MagSafe. So it's very similar, and they attach just like that. So this would be connected to your product, whatever it might be. Here's a leather one, so there's actually two on here. So you have the plastic one, or you have the leather one. So whatever your gadget you want it to look like on the outside, you can connect it that way. And then here's the AirPods Pro. It connects right there, just like that with the magnet. So it's very easy, and the price is very good from FuseChicken on these products. So you get the leatherette one and you get the plastic one. They have another version as well, and these are all from FuseChicken, and this one works really nicely in your car, the car mount. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.